we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done.
Hey everybody, today I want to show you how I will create this glass ball to beautiful fairy house, which you can hang it in your bedroom or anywhere you like it. Let's start it then, yeah?
So I working with Fimo polymer clay. I'm adding white color and brown color Fimo and taking wood effect. If you see my previous video, you can where I'm creating fairy door, I showing all the step by step how to mix white and brown color. So in this video, very short, I show you how to make fairy house. And only house, not the fairy, because next my tutorial I will share with you how to sculpt fairy. So you have to just cover on the glass of this with this polymer clay and shape it. Have fun, guys.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun.
On this step, I'm showing you how to do like a mushroom roof. So you do like a circle and just add some white Fimo polymer clay under this mushroom top. So that's going to be like a mushroom roof effect. And if you want to add some white dot on the top of the roof of the mushroom, you can do it. It's yeah, you can add or you can paint it, it's up to you.
Before I sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon. Side by side and through. No limit to what we can do. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. You and I, we got it. We don't need no more. Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm. You and I, we got it. We don't need no more. Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm.
And I wanted to like add in some glowing in a dark stick, which I'm adding on my fairy house. It will glow in the dark. This is solar stick. So I'm putting some any glue which you like a super glue, whatever you prefer, and add it inside the house. So I will decorate it all type of shape, like a wood or curving shape or some little dot. You can add some flowers, which I did dry flowers to my fairy house, and after when I put some dry flowers, I just cover with polish, Fimo polish gloss. it's really gloss, it gives a glossily shimmery look. And of course you have to bake it, and after baking you have to put this Fimo glossing. As you see on my video, I'm using dry natural flour. You can add for your fairy house, which I did. It's very, you can be creative. Just in the end, after baking the Fimo, you add dry flowers. Don't put before, because it can burn or something like that. That's why all after baking you just put the Fimo gloss and your fairy house is ready. Just add anything you like. I hope you like my video. If you have a question, just let me know. In next video I will share with you how to sculpt little baby fairy. If you look at it through my videos, you can find it, because I had so much tutorial I sharing with you guys how to create little fairy baby, but I will do another video to share with you proper. Thank you so much, guys, and have fun. You can add anything you like, dry flower or sculpting Fimo flower. It's up to you. Have a fun. Do you believe in fairies?